Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. So artificial intelligence is changing faster than ever. So today AI is a nurse just for answering the question. It can plan, it can remember, it can use any tool, it can complete the task. So this intelligence system are called AI agent, right? But have you ever wondered what technology work together to make an AI agent? So in this video, I will explain the complete AI agent tech stack in 2026. It's in a very simple language, right? So let's begin. So, there are several layers in AI agentic system, right? So we are talking about the first layer, the layer one that is called the foundation layer. So in the foundation layer, that is the first layer, okay, that will the think of this as the brain of AI agent, right? This is the brain most, this is the most power thing. This is a brain of any AI agent. And there are popular models, there are several popular models, includes like GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama. So these model understand the language. They can write the code. They can, write the text. They can solve the problem. They can even understand the image and document. So without a powerful language model, there is no AI agent. So this is where intelligence begin. Now we are coming to the layer second, that is called agentic framework. So second layer is the agentic framework, and this layer organize the work. Example, there are several this kind of like framework is there, like LangChain is there, CrewAI is there, AutoGen is there, OpenAI, Maestra is there, right? So imagine you are managing a team and someone must decide what to do first. So who will do his task, right? And when the work is complete. So that is exactly what a AI agent framework does, right? So it's turn one AI model into the smart worker. Now we are going to discuss about the layer three. Okay, so in this layer three, that is called MCP and tool integration. So the third layer is basically called the tool integration. So AI become more powerful when it can use the tool. For example, it can search on the internet, it can read the PDF, it can send an email, access database, it can use the API, it can also go to the any particular website and open it can control the browser, right? So one of the important technology is the model context protocol, we called as MCP. So MCP provide the standard way for any AI model to connect with external tools. So instead of only answering the question, the AI can now perform the real actions. So now we are coming to the this layer 4, that is the memory. So memory, it means the like human remember past experience, right? Similarly, AI isn't also need memory. So memory helps AI remember the conversations, use the preference, and also it will remember the previous tasks, right? Any we have provided any important documents, it will also remember. So many AI system also use the RAG, or RAG is generally called the retrieval augmented generation, right? So some AI use this system, and this also allow to search the trusted knowledge before any answering the questions. So memory make AI smarter over time, right? So now we are coming to the layer 5, that is called the knowledge source. So any AI agent also need information. So this information comes from the many source, from the PDF file, the website, in maybe some GitHub repository. It can be SQL Drive, Google Drive, or SharePoint, or anything, right? Or instead of just guessing those things, right? So AI says the trusted source first, then it gives the better answer, right? Now I'm coming to the layer 6, that is called execution layer. So now come most this exciting part of this layer is the execution layer. So this is where AI actually works. It can run the Python code, it can browse the it can browse the browser, right? It can use the Docker. Actually, it can also execute the shell commands, and it can perform the any kind of task, so before using these things, we use the N8N, that allow the AI agent to complete the task automatically, right? So this is where AI moves from thinking to doing, right? In this step. And coming to the level 7, that is the monitoring and evaluation, right? That is also most important. So every AI system must be monitored. This is called, this is we have to observe those things, because in the developer will also share whether the AI is making mistake, or how much it cost, right? And how fast it responds, and whether the answer are accurate. So also in this layer we have to use the guardrail. right? We can also keep AI safe and reliable. So without monitoring, AI cannot be trusted in productions, right? Now next layer is the deployment, right? So finally, the AI agent must be deployed. Okay, so it means making it available for real user. So popular deployment platform we have also discussed in previous video, right? Like Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, Cloud, So these are the popular, deployment platform, right? So the AI agent can work for thousand or even million of user, right? And now we are coming to the conclusion part. So let's quickly review all these things. So AI, a complete AI agent needs a foundation model. It also required the agent frameworks, tool integration, memory, knowledge source, and executions layer, right? And after that, it required the monitoring and cloud development, right? So together, this technology create an intelligence system that can think, plan, remember, take the particular action. So the future of AI is moving from LLM to AI agent to multi-agent system, and finally autonomous digital organization. If you enjoyed this video, so please like, share, and subscribe the Think Lab by Saurabh. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.